Handy Andy back with another unboxing. This time we're looking at TP-Link's Tapo Smart Wire-Free Camera System. This is their newest one, the 2K QHD cameras. These two right here. This is the particular model number, the C420S2. So let's go ahead and unbox this to see what you get inside this two camera system. Just slides out, so I'll slide this right out. And there we go. Let's take a closer look. Now, there are two mounting brackets. I'll take those out. This is the power. Oh, I wanted, before I even look, is it going to be micro USB or USB-C? Oh, it's its own proprietary. Interesting. That's actually kind of disappointing. I would wish they would do USB-C for these devices, but we'll let them off. Oh, it looks like is this an alarm? It looks like an alarm and also a bridge. And that's unfortunate because I'm running out of space on my mesh system. But we'll try to make this work and connect it to that later on during the review. Here are the cameras themselves. Let's take a quick look at them. Quite light, actually. Okay, so it's got this plastic. I'll take that off. Not bad. Seems like a decent camera system. There is a mounting bracket on the back and on the bottom. Looks like there's a speaker as well. So, put that aside. Take the other one out as well. There is some stuff underneath here. Information about the camera. Some warranty information. And what is this? What is this? A sticker. Interesting. We'll have to figure out what that is a little bit later on. Also, you do have an Ethernet port, micro USB cable, some screws and inserts. And, oh, so I'm wondering what this is for now. I'm really curious. It's got a micro USB as well. Oh, that's maybe to charge the batteries. That's what it is. So here's one of the batteries. It charges micro USB. Unfortunately, not USB-C. I don't like to see that anymore. I want to see USB-C on everything. Similar with this one. So what I'll do, folks, is I'll organize all this and we'll just kind of quickly go over what you get inside the box. So here's everything you get. Of course, you get the two cameras and the mounting brackets in the back to mount it wherever you want. You also got these two stickers, which I will look in the manual a little bit later to see what those are for. Some general public's license notice. Nobody cares about that. The two batteries, of course, and a cable to charge that with the micro USB on this side. You also have an Ethernet port, some screws, this hub device, which looks like it has a built-in alarm, and also the power cable for that hub. So what I'm going to be doing is hooking this up in addition to two other cameras from the Tapo line to create basically a smart home security system. So you'll want to watch that review because these cameras will be part of that. But this really concludes the unboxing of the Tapo Smart Wire-Free Camera System. There are two QHD cameras. I can't wait to check out this footage, so be sure to watch that review. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you in the review of this camera line.